Hey there crafty friends, welcome back to Sandy Crafts. So today I'm excited to show you on how to turn a tote bag into something unique using Siser Easyweed HTV vinyl. So whether you're a beginner or just looking for a fun project, then this video is for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. First, using a lint remover, roll until all the small fabrics are gone. This will make your vinyl adhere better. Next, we will measure the tote bag. For this project, I will measure it 7 inches in height and 7 inches in width. Next is finding your design. I found a design from FABRICA that I wanted to use for my project, but you can use whatever design you have saved. But if you cannot find anything that you like, I put the link of FABRICA free trial on the description below. So once you find the design that you like, go ahead and download it. So if you're going to use FABRICA, once you find the design, go ahead and download it. After it's finished, you'll see a zip file on your downloads folder. Just right-click on it and select Extract All. This will create a new folder with all the files inside ready to use. Simple as that. After that, open your CRICUT design space and create a new project. We will now upload our design that you downloaded. Once it's uploaded, click on Continue and then you will be directed to the next page and just click on Apply and Continue. After that, since this is not a layered design, click on Flat Image. Once your design appears to the design space, make sure you change the dimensions of your project depending on how big you want the design to be. In this project, I want it 8 inches in width and 7 inches in height. On the left side of your screen, it defaults to print and cut. Since we will use our CRICUT, change it to basic and then click on Make. Make sure the mirror button is turned on and then click on Continue. Choose the base material for this project. To choose, click on Browse All and type in Everyday Iron and then click Done. On this page, you can choose the pressure of your cut. The machine will give you 3 options, but for this project, we will just pick default. And before moving forward, go ahead and load your vinyl onto the mat. And for this project, we're using Siser Easyweed vinyl. Place the shiny side of the vinyl facing down on your CRICUT mat and get ready to cut. Once it's done cutting, weed out the extra vinyl. I like to test fit it to see how it will look like before I press. Next, set your heat press to 305 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a Teflon sheet or parchment paper over the design and press firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure to apply even pressure across the entire design. So let the design cool down slightly before peeling off the carrier sheet. If the design starts to lift, press it again for a few seconds. Then your custom tote bag is now ready to go. Remember to wait 24 hours before washing and to wash inside out for best results. And that's it, a super easy way to customize your tote bag using Siser Easyweed HTV vinyl. It's always fun to create something unique. So if you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Sandy Crafts for more creative projects. See you in the next video. Bye.